And then let's take a look at question 3. 100 people were asked if they owned a computer, a television, or both. 75 people owned a computer and 65 people owned a television. Everybody surveyed owned at least one of these items. How many people only owned a television? So in this question, we still have two groups, right? So some of these people owned television, while some of them owned computer. So we can put them into different groups, TV and computer. Okay, so we also know 75 of them owned a computer, so that would be the whole circle on the right. 65 people owned a television, that will be the total amount of person on the left. And also, we have 100 people were asked in the survey, so 100 will be the total amount of students. Now, what we are trying to do is to find how many people only owned a television. So, to answer the question, we need to know what is the part we are looking for. Well, we have one moon shape on the left, let's label it A, overlap part in the middle B, and a moon shape on the right. Which part is the one we are looking for? Only own television. So when we are talking about the part only belongs to one group, that will always be the moon shape. So it actually should be the part A. This is what we are looking for. So how can we find part A? If we want to find the moon shape, the easiest way we can do is we use the whole circle belongs to television. Take away the overlapped part in the middle. But do we know the overlapped part? We haven't yet. But can we figure it out? Yes. So let's take a look at the relationship we already know. So we know for the left and the right, take away the overlap part. It will be the total amount of people in this question. So we know there are 65 people on the left group and 75 people on the right group. So take away the overlapped part, which is the part we are looking for. There are 100. So when we add these two parts together, we will get 140. Take away overlap, which is 100. So the overlap part is 40. Okay, so which means overlapped part in the middle. 40. Yeah, is at the end. Nope, do not forget, we want the whole circle take away the overlapped part, which will be the moon shape on the left, section A. That is what we are looking for. So, the circle of television, there are 65 students in total, and the overlap part is 40. So, take away 40, we got 25 left over. So, for the moon shape part, it should be 25, and 25 are the total amount of students only owned a television. So that is for question 3.